Talcher, video Talcher, other dignitaries, parents, lovely students, friends from media, ladies and gentlemen. I consider it a proud privilege on my part to be here on such a scintillating, mind-blowing occasion. Today, it has been rather a very hectic schedule for all of us. I emerged from a very tiring, hectic meeting at Angul. Today in the morning, I came down from Bhubaneswar. I joined a meeting, the meeting which is known for heated exchanges between officials and the elected representatives. So it was a really tiring exercise there. Being public servants, we are supposed to be there, and emerging therefrom, then immediately landing on such a platform is really, simply I can say, very much gladdening. I was observing marvelous pieces of performances by our dear kids. It was simply inspiring. We were discussing of the dais. The girls have outsmarted the boys, so the boys should not also fall behind. They should also come up. I sincerely wish the boys also should come up. Overall, the performances have been very much worth watching. Wonderful performances these boys and girls have exhibited, have displayed here. So again, I will be requesting all of you to give hands. Please clap them up again. So this is the most undesirable intermission rather. My dear children must be nourishing in mind that earliest this intermission is over, the best it is for them. Because you are here not for listening or hearing us. You are here to not be falling in my duty in speaking few words. These children are the tomorrow of this nation. The children, you should remember, or you must be knowing, one great man, Garibaldi. Garibaldi makes the Italian history. He had been to a school. On entering into a classroom, he said Namaste. He saluted the children at first. So naturally he was questioned twice. For this country, for this land. And if you ask a small child today, who is your hero? He must be saying, it is only कलादी कौन आमे सब ओडिया स्कूल पढ़ुलु कपिलेन्द्र देव को कह जाऊला कौन कर्णाटक कलादी वीरबर कर्णाटक we were introduced to him and he could know that these are the state government officers who are also responsible to this launching and who have also contributed their best in making this program successful. He gave us a very warm hug and we were simply impressed by the humility that APJ Abdul Kalam is known for. I will be urging upon the students that yes, we should know who are the real heroes. We should know how they are built. We should know how inspiring are they. and at the same time also we should allow ourselves to get inspired, and for that the bounden duty is of the teachers. The teachers cannot shy away from that responsibility. So let us on this occasion hope again this institution would grow from strength to strength. Thank you all.
ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କୁ ବହୁତ ବହୁତ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ ଦେଉଛି। ମୁଁ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଅଫ୍ ଅଲ୍ ଆଇ congratulate of the principal of this institution who has called me as a guest of honor, and it is a great privilege to me to receive this occasion. I vehemently told her, even I have got so many family schedules and patient schedules, I told her that I must attend at least for 1 hour. First of all, respected sub-collector, BDO, my Tahsildar, friend, and my parents, my colleagues, and all the media people who are on the diet, who are on the pavilion to hear me few words. First of all, as a doctor, I belong to Handidua, not much away from this place. I read in Handidua High School and went to Angul Science College, then to SC Medical College. I am a best graduate and a gold medalist of Utkal University. I was working in Ram Mohan Lohia Hospital and in Ranchi in Coal India. Subsequently, I come back to Talcher to serve my native place. That was my cherished goal at the end, and I have succeeded in it. First of all, when I speak all about the children, I first impress the parents that they should be very careful from the day of inception or the day of pregnancy. From that day, all the sensible parents should be very cautious nowadays for their health and well-being of their children, which they are going to be delivered. Now, our science has advanced so much so that we have overcome so many problems in different diseases which were not recognized earlier during pregnancy, after pregnancy, or during childhood and post-childhood period. So I always impress that you must be very cautious and you must take advice of the doctor. What they should follow to give birth a healthy, well-being child. That should be our motto. Our population has increased to 1.25 crores. We do not want much population. We want 1 or 2 children norm at this stage, and the 2 children should be disease-free, should be educated, should be well-being, so that they are the future of our country. So I always impress that you must be very cautious. Many things has come up to tackle the situation. We are now in the era of 2013-14, and this era, if we are not going to avail the opportunity, then I will say we are all fools. So we will not be a fool's parent. We must be a responsible and generable parent, so that our child
ਸਾਰੇ ਗਿਨ ਯਾਦ ਚ ਤੇਰੀ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਜਾਗਰ ਰਾਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਰੋਕ ਨਾ ਪਾਵਾਂ ਅੱਖੀਆਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਗਮ ਦੀਆਂ ਬਰਸਾਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਾਰੇ ਗਿਨ ਯਾਦ ਚ ਤੇਰੀ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਜਾਗਰ ਰਾਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਰੋਕ ਨਾ ਪਾਵਾਂ ਅੱਖੀਆਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਗਮ ਦੀਆਂ ਬਰਸਾਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਹੋ 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 ਇਸ਼ਕ ਤੇਰਾ ਨਾ ਪਾਵਾਂ ਤੇਰੀਆਂ ਮਿੱਠੀਆਂ ਬਾਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ
ਵੀ ਮੈਂ ਖੁਦ ਨਾ ਪਾਵਾਂ ਤੇਰੀਆਂ ਮਿੱਠੀਆਂ ਬਾਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ
ਰੋਕ ਨਾ ਪਾਵਾਂ ਅੱਖੀਆਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਗਮ ਦੀਆਂ ਬਰਸਾਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ
ਰੋਕ ਨਾ ਪਾਵਾਂ ਅੱਖੀਆਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਗਮ ਦੀਆਂ ਬਰਸਾਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ
ਹੋ 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 ਇਸ਼ਕ ਤੇਰਾ ਪਾਵੇ
चूहे से डरता है। हाँ सही जवाब। अरे चूहा किससे डरता है? चूहा तो बिल्ली से डरता है। और बिल्ली किससे डरती है? बिल्ली तो कुत्ते से डरती है। और कुत्ते किससे डरते हैं? कुत्ते तो आदमी से डरते हैं। और आदमी किससे डरता है? आदमी तो अपनी बीवी से डरता है। और उसकी बीवी किससे डरती है? और उसकी बीवी और all of us। मेरे रंग दे बसंती चूला, मेरे रंग दे बसंती चूला, मेरे रंग दे बसंती चूला, फौजी रंग दे माही रंग दे, मेरे रंग दे बसंती चूला, 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 माए रंग दे बसंती चूला। आजादी की चली बिहाने दीवानों की दुनिया, आजादी की चली बिहाने दीवानों की दुनिया, खून से अपने लिख देंगे हम इनकलाब की बोलियां, हम वापस लौटेंगे लेकर आजादी का डोला। मेरा रंग दे, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चूला, मेरे रंग दे बसंती चूला, मेरे रंग दे बसंती चूला, माए रंग दे बसंती चूला। ये वो चूला है कि जिस पे रंग चढ़ी ना दूजा, रंग चढ़ेला दूजा, हमने तो बचपन से की थी इस चोली की पूजा। कल तक जो चिंगारी थी वो आज बनी है शोला। मेरा रंग दे, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला। माए रंग दे बसंती चोला। सपने में देखा था जिसको आज वही दिन आया है। सपने में देखा था जिसको आज वही दिन आया है। सूर्य के उस पार खड़ी है माँ ने हमें बुलाया है। आज मौत के पल्ले में जीवन को हमने तौला। मेरा रंग दे, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चूल्हा, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चूल्हा, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चूल्हा, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चूल्हा। आज रंग दे, माही रंग दे, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चूल्हा, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चूल्हा, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चूल्हा, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चूल्हा। माही रंग दे बसंती चूल्हा। Thank you.
Get name and fame. You are poor. Money, wealth, power, position, beauty, and fame are all just perishable. Can we be immortal with all of this? Love our name. We keep so high. Vanish away with bodily death, or will our names be alive even after our death? First of all, are we ready to face the death? For it comes in an hour which we don't know. Dear friend, through this act, let's reflect what we really need to acquire in our life to live in everyone's heart, even after death. So we present before you, waiting who will accompany. I am the most richest in the world. Handsome, most powerful, the most smart. I have power, many wives. Ha 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 ha. Everything. Who can stand against me? Ha 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 ha. Drink, enjoy, enjoy life. Ha 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 ha. You fool! I have considered a life. What will is all of this? You, who are you? I am Death, sent from God. Death? Here? Yes, I have considered a life and account of your life. An account? Account of my life? Oh, no, no, please.
क्या करूं, मेरा धंधा ही है ना,
Let us go.
मैं तो ये नहीं कर सकता ना।
Please,
आप पहले उस तरफ दिया गया, मेरे को तो उसको करना पड़ेगा ना।
some time, please. Okay, I will do her. Then I will come there. Be ready. I will come soon. Oh, Death, how will I face it? I'm frightened to go alone. Yes, I will ask my family. They will surely come with me to face it. Father, Father. that, please? I'm so sorry. How can I come? Yes. Oh my wisdom and knowledge. No one is there to accompany me to face that. Now you are left. At least you come with me to face that, please. No one can come with you to face that. Okay. Nothing can prevent that as death approaches. What?
But there is someone who can accompany you.
Who? Who is that?
Your good deed.
Good day? I do not know. Who is that? Yes, you do not know her. So she is so weak, lying in a corner. Go, wake up her. She will follow you to face them. Good day? Good day? Yes, I am ready. Thank you. All will leave us. What is that? Remain with us is our good alone. And we only destroy it. So let us strengthen our peace, logical, calm, and gentle. So that our worries may be with us all throughout the night and also after death. Thank you. Wonderful. So ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. I think you all have discovered yourself as the colors of this cultural feast unfold. After enjoying so many colorful events, now the time has come to encourage our children by giving their academic achievement. Yes, there is no doubt. Children are like birds in a garden and should be carefully and lovingly nurtured as they are the future of nation and the citizen of tomorrow. These golden words are written by our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. It is very mandatory for every nation and every society to nurture a strong, healthy and intellectual youth. The youth have boundless stores of energy, will capacity, zeal and enthusiasm, and have the power to mold the destiny of the nation, for which they are called the powerhouse of the nation. So keeping all these points of view in mind, our school has conducted different activities to draw out the intellectuals, which can help them to survive in this modernization and globalization. The school inspires the students for hard work and sincerity by all possible means. The students are encouraged for good work in different fields and duly awarded by the right accomplishment. So now the school is going to distribute prizes to bring forward the talents of school in public, to keep instances of splendor for others and encourage them for something alike. So I would like to request our Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Saroj Kumar Samal, who is the Sub-Collector of Culture, to come on the stage and award the children by their achievement. And now I am going to call the best students of different classes and best students of class 1. Prize goes to Nilanjana Patnaik. Parents, please come with us.
Sanchita Ghosh. Yes, come along with your parents. Parents, please come to the stage.
Tiger tunga teri. Tiger tunga mein. मैं तेरी पिटाई कर दूंगा. खड़िया.
Yes, sir.
खड़ी. कहाँ जा? खड़िया खड़ी.
Thank you, Sanchita. Please, parents and audience, clap your hands. And now the best student prize for class 3 goes to Kirti Shreyas. Parents, please come to the stage. Standard best Thank you. And now the best student prize of class 4 goes to Madhusmita Pradhan. Audience, please clap your hand to encourage our children. Thank you. Now the prize is for the pride of her school, and this is achieved by her, who is calm and quiet, generous, soft-hearted, helpful, confident and wise. And she is Priti Krishna Parida of class 4. She is the pride of her school. So please come to the stage along with her parents. Thank you. Thank you, sir. You have spent your valuable time for us. So thank you very much. Please take your seat.
Always our office is open for the principal of the school to come to us, agitate any of the genuine problems of the school which we can solve. I have already assured her if we can be of some help in at least making some sports items available. The principal is always welcome to our office to discuss any problem she faces or countenances. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Competition goes to Lorisa Mahanti of class 1. The audience, please clap your hands and encourage them. Parents, if you are here, please